It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon, and we are back with another video. So today, guys, he's so goofy. All right, guys. Anyways, we are back here with another product review. This is not a sponsored video. We just wanted to make a video on it just to show like progress or whatever as well. Shut up. Okay, guys, so we have bought the Boombod. You got to break it before we even start. It's super simple.
Boom. Wait. Can you see? Wait. Oh, yeah. Boom.
They can see it. Boombod. So we have ordered. So we bought it when they had a sale going on. It's buy one get one free. So I got two. He got two.
Mm-hmm.
So I have the one for women.
We're going crazy.
Yes, we are. I bought the one for women, and he bought the one that's for men. If y'all can see that, it says Boombod for men. So his flavor is black cherry, and then mine is black currant. Y'all can see it? Black currant.
Oh, that's your flavor.
Yeah, this is mine. Yours
What
black
kind of
cherry.
flavor is that?
I have no idea, but we're gonna try it out and see. So guys, we're not going to do the taste test on this video. If y'all want to see that video, we can give y'all a 2 weeks update, because we bought two, so it's 2 weeks, 7 days.
Oh, so 2 boxes, 2 weeks worth.
No, one box is 1 week.
So if I finish this whole box, that's 1 week.
That's 1 week.
Oh, man.
Yeah. So since we have two, it's gonna be a two weeks that we take this. So if y'all wanted us to do those videos, like a 2 week video, 2 week update on Boombod, let us know in the comment section below, because I know a lot of celebs use this as well, and they only just post an Instagram video and be like, oh yeah, this is how you make it, this is what it does, yada yada, stuff like that. But if you actually want to see us take it and you want to see our weight and our it's supposed to help with bloating. So if y'all want to see that as well, let us know in the comment section below. Like I said, we bought this when they had a sale going on. It was buy one get one free. So we got 2 boxes. So that was a good deal, because one box, 1 week is like $80. No, 50, I think.
One box?
I think it's one box is 50.
One box is about 50, yeah.
And then 2 weeks, I think it's 80.
So we got 4 boxes at $80, right? Pretty much?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, we got 4 for 80. So
I'm not sure if that deal is still going on right now, guys, but the link gonna be in the description below. If you guys want to try it out, if you guys want to lose weight.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? People say it helps you lose weight.
Yeah.
We don't know it. We about to try it, and then we're gonna see. But if you guys want to go buy it, his link gonna be in the description below. Go show him some love. You know what I'm saying?
So yeah, guys, we're gonna open the.
With that being said, it may help you lose weight, but if you're not helping yourself, it doesn't make no sense, right?
Yeah.
So if you're gonna take this and then you're gonna buy at McDonald's, then it don't make no sense, right?
It's not gonna work.
That's like you working up for no reason, then you go home and get a whole bunch of chicken.
Mm-hmm.
So you taking this, you gotta do your part.
Mm-hmm.
So
exactly.
this gonna do his part, and then we gotta do our part, which is eat healthier and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
You know, right?
So on the box, it gives you visual pictures of how to mix it and everything right there. And then at the top, it tells you what it contains. Oh wait, it's upside down. It tells you what it what it's good for, and what it what it does for you, and stuff like that. What is it and everything. So yeah, guys, we're gonna open the box. You ready to open it, babe?
Yeah, let's go ahead.
This is cool. I've never
Oh, the tape is on it. Oh, crap.
Hold it. Yep.
Don't stop me.
Alright, guys, so we are now opening. It says make this week count. Make
Yep.
it count, guys.
Make it count.
Make it count.
Make it count.
So, opening the box, we have a little, this is like an instructions, and it's basically instructions here at the front, and then at the back it's just giving you a brief it's giving you tips and questions that a lot of people ask, and answers Q&A. So that's what it is.
So
how to mix it and everything.
So we take 1 per day. One. So we go. Well, before I show you guys can see.
Oh, sorry.
You got a bag, that, and that.
So
wait, you take the black one in the morning and this in the morning, evening, or
yeah,
you take 1 per day?
No. So you take you take the one that says morning. No,
Oh,
this one is night.
this is okay. It said the actual.
Yeah, so we're gonna take 3 of them out of here.
Oh, I see now.
So this is how it is. They have a morning energizer. They have a afternoon motivator, and then we have a night rejuvenator. So, does yours say the same thing? Night rejuvenator, morning energizer, afternoon something. Okay, yeah. So his is the same thing, but his is a different flavor. He has black cherry.
So all this is black cherry?
No, yeah. All of them are black cherry. So guys, the instructions, it just says empty 1 sachet into a dry medium-sized cup, and then it says while stirring, fill a 1/4 of glass with cold water to dissolve. And then it says don't mess around, drink shot straight away.
Drink it straight away. It's not a lot, guys. Like,
yeah,
look,
it's just a shot.
Like, look, guys, it's really not a lot. Like, it's not even half the cup. It's not a lot.
Yeah, it's just a shot. It's supposed to be taken as a shot.
So, you say you take it before you eat or after you eat?
Okay, so it has tips at the back. So, tip number 1, we don't do diet plans. Take advantage of this extra boost. Drink water. Okay, so after every shot of the Boombod drink, you have to drink a glass of water. So as soon as you take the shot, drink water. So let me see, maybe it's on the back of this, because I don't see where it says if you have to eat something with it.
So let's just assume you say yeah. So
yeah.
You eat it before, or would you eat it before or after? I say you eat it, drink it first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
To help you reduce how you enjoy
as soon as you wake up, I say drink it in the morning, because the morning one is energizing, so it gives you energy, you know. And then the afternoon is just a motivator. Hey, keep pushing, keep going. And then the night one is just to rejuvenate you, you know, get you started for the next day. So that's basically what it is. It doesn't say to eat something.
I'm assuming, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna take mine before I eat.
Oh shoot, this says rejuvenating your skin and hair at night. It says we have your back. The 3 sachets also have their own unique vitamin blend to help you boom through your day. From helping with energy in the morning, reducing fatigue in the afternoon, and rejuvenating your skin and hair at night. So that's a good one for me. Huh. No, this is basically to help with bloating and to help you curb appetites and stuff, so you won't gain so much weight and you won't be as bloated. So
yeah, guys, for me, a lot of people say I'm not fat. Well, not fat.
He's not fat. I don't think he's fat.
You can know when something's not right about your body, right? Mm-hmm. Like, so I don't want to lose a lot because I don't want to look weird, stupid. Yeah, but I want to lose a little bit, you know. I say tone my body, you know what I'm saying? So
yeah,
that's why I'm trying it. You know what I'm saying? I've been going running in the morning. Maybe next week or when the next time I go, we can vlog and show you guys. I've been going running. I also been eating healthy. You know what I'm saying? I've been eating a lot of fish. Well, careful why burn up on that, but swimmers. Yeah, I've been consuming a lot of swimmers, you know, swimming around. So, yeah, guys, we starting this journey. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it helps. But it will help, but you gotta do your part. You don't do your part, ain't making sense. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
It's true. So if you're not taking the extra steps to, you know, the extra steps to make your body healthy and to, you know, also work with Boombod, then it's really no point into taking this, because if you take Boombod and then you go and be like, okay, well, this Boombod is gonna help me reduce the bloating and stuff, so I can go and eat a whole burger and fries and tacos or whatever, and then by the time I go take my next one, it'll be all gone. It's not gonna work like that. You actually have to put in the work to work with Boombod. They don't make stuff to just instantly like grow your hair longer or to make you skinny. You have to actually eat right and, you know, take care of yourself. But yeah, guys, that's our review. Well, not a review, that's our unboxing of our Boombod we just ordered. So like I said, if y'all want to see day to day of us taking it, let us know in the comment section below. So guys, do you got anything to say?
don't starve yourself. Still
Don't
eat.
starve.
Still
Oh
eat.
my God.
Don't starve. That's people out get mixed up. They think, okay, I want to lose it. I'm gonna stop eating everything. No, don't starve yourself. Still eat your food,
Yeah.
but just eat less.
Yeah, less proportions.
Well, you can eat more. Like if you eat swimmers, you can eat 9 or 10 swimmers. That's not gonna gain you weight because that's swimmers healthy. So you can eat
But
as much.
sometimes too much is not good because it's like
Well, I'm pretty sure people not gonna eat 10.
yeah,
unless
yeah,
you give an estimate
exactly.
number.
Okay. Yeah.
But yeah.
But yeah, guys, that'll be the end of this unboxing. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Comment in the comment section what you would like to see from us next. And also if you want to see this review of the Boombod day to day, let us know as well. Hit that notification bell to be notified each and every day we post a video. And yeah, guys, we'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
I changed it up.